Sir, bakit ano? Bakit sobrang hirap mag-move on?
Because of too much emotional attachment. Ang problema ng maraming tao tungkol sa pag-move on is yung naaalala mo kasi yung mga magagandang pinagsamahan mo. Tapos nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. And sometimes, you have to consider yourself as well. And sometimes, you have to live outside of his or her life. And sometimes, you have to start your own. Away from him, away from her. And then one day, moving on will come along. Kasi ang ibig sabihin naman ng move on, hindi naman ang ibig sabihin yan, kalimutan mo na siya. Ang ibig sabihin ng pag-move on is yung matututo kang lumakad at matututo kang umabante kahit hindi na siya kasama. 'Cause sometimes I look in her eyes.